Well, here we are on a nice 20-degree February day. The Acadia developed the, what do they call it sometimes, the terrible trifecta error codes, and it's been lovely. So the garage is full of wintertime projects, so I can't pull it in there right now. And it snowed about 4 inches last night. So we're gonna work on that today, trying to figure out what exactly the problem is. So the 3 codes you're gonna get all at one time are traction control off, service stabilitrak, and then engine power reduced. They happen all at once, and you'll notice right away you'll accelerate quite a lot slower. If you stop for a corner or something, your ability to accelerate from a stop is severely reduced. We had it happen to us 5 miles from home, and the car wouldn't go over 10 or 15 miles an hour from a corner. The quick way to get around that, just to limp yourself to somewhere safe, pull off to the side of the road, shut the car off for a second or two, 30 seconds, minute, whatever. Turn it back on. It'll clear the codes temporarily. You'll be able to take off, get up to speed, but the codes will reappear quickly and you'll lose the ability to accelerate again. So it's just a way of getting you somewhere safe as quick as possible as soon as that happens. So what the scan tool told us was there was a fault with the throttle position sensor. So the first thing to do, get rid of the cover. Simple as removing the cap, pulling it off the little pins that hold it on. Now, here's your throttle body. Your throttle position sensor is an integral part of it. It's not serviceable. Have to replace the whole thing as a unit. Pretty simple to get at. Pull off your tube from your air box. There's one clamp here, one clamp there. Your crankcase breather. That'll separate right down at this little gasket here. And then there is 4 10mm head bolts. Just pull them out. This whole unit will come off. You can unclip it from the wiring. And just use this baffle to kind of compress the 2 parts together and pull it off the air box and the throttle body. These clips are always a trip to figure out. Seems like every single one's got a different way of attaching itself. So this one, get a flat head in there and pry the gray part up there until that little tab secures it. Then you can push the black part down and it will release like that. So here's our new Bosch throttle body. It comes in bubble wrap. I took that off already. Nice shiny thing. since we're already in here, now's a good time to service the air filter. So a T25 Torx bit should take out the screws. Cover off, you can see a little bit better. There's 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on this side, and then 2 screws on this side. 6 screws all together to take that off. This can be a fun job because it's kind of a tight fit. So this side's on. We'll tighten that up so it stays in place while we try and pull the other side on. Just tighten this side down. Finally, reinsert the crankcase breather into the elbow there, and then reassemble your engine cover, shut the hood, and start it up.